Worldwide IT spending is projected to reach $4.6 trillion in 2023, according to the latest forecast by Gartner. This represents an increase of 5.5% from the previous year. The projected growth is primarily driven by enterprise software and cloud services, as well as continued investment in IT infrastructure such as servers, storage, and networking equipment. Hello and welcome to Varindia News Hour. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the shift towards digital transformation and remote work, which is expected to continue to drive IT spending in the coming years. However, there are also concerns about potential supply chain disruptions and inflationary pressures that could impact IT spending. IT spending will remain strong even as many countries are projected to have near flat gross domestic product growth and high inflation in 2023. Prioritization will be critical as CIOs look to optimize spend while using digital technology to transform the company's value proposition, revenue, and client interactions. The software segment will see double-digit growth this year as enterprises prioritize spending to capture competitive advantages through increased productivity, automation, and other software-driven transformation initiatives. Conversely, the devices segment will decline nearly 5% in 2023 as consumers defer device purchases due to declining purchasing power and a lack of incentive to buy. Secondly, as enterprises navigate continued economic turbulence, the split of technologies being maintained versus those driving the business is apparent in their position relative to overall average IT spending growth. Experts predict CIOs face a balancing act that is evident in the dichotomies in IT spending. For example, there is sufficient spending within data center markets to maintain existing on-premises data centers, but new spending has shifted to cloud options as reflected in the growth in IT services. The IT services segment will continue to growth trajectory through 2024, largely driven by the infrastructure as a service market, which is projected to reach over 30% growth this year. For the first time, price is a key driver of increased spend for cloud services segments rather than just increased usage. Let's look into today's headlines. PC market sees a sharp decline in beginning of 2023. Shipments by all PC makers combined slumped 29% to 56.9 million units in the beginning of 2023 and fell below the levels of early 2019. Apple's personal computer shipments have declined by 40.5% in the first quarter, marking a tough start to the year. While Lenovo Group Limited and Dell Technologies Inc. registered drops of more than 30%, HP Inc. was down 24.2%. MSI is the newest victim of a ransomware attack. Taiwanese PC company MSI has officially confirmed being the victim of a cyber attack on its systems. The company said it promptly initiated incident response and recovery measures after detecting network anomalies. It also said it alerted law enforcement agencies of the matter. MSI did not disclose any specifics about when the attack took place and if it is entailed the exfiltration of any proprietary information. Apple bars 22 rival brands from opening shops near its India store. Apple, which is coming up with its first official retail store in India, is said to have barred 22 companies from opening shops or having advertisements near its store. The brands deemed as competing brands including Amazon, Facebook, Dell, Sony, Twitter, LG, Google, Microsoft, Lenovo, Foxconn, IBM, Intel, Toshiba, among others. The space leased by Apple apparently will remain exclusive to the brand. Parag Agrawal and other fired executives sue Twitter over unpaid legal fees. Former Twitter CEO Parag Agrawal and two other ex-executives sued the company saying they haven't been reimbursed for over $1 million in expenses related to federal investigations and other legal matters. All of them were fired by current CEO Elon Musk right after he bought Twitter in October 2022 in a possible attempt to avoid paying golden parachute deals. Alibaba unveils an AI model similar to GPT. Alibaba Group has unveiled Tongyi Qianyuan, an AI large language model similar to GPT that it plans to integrate into all of the company's business applications in the near future. It will first be integrated into DingTalk, Alibaba's workplace messaging app, and can be used to summarize meeting notes, write emails, and draft business proposals. It will also be added to Alibaba's voice assistant. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Varindia News Magazine. You can download the Varindia app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.